Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Kia Sportage. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sleek and athletic Sportage, the compact crossover with the capabilities you need to express your adventurous spirit. From its impressive suite of safety and infotainment tech to its luxurious cabin and impeccable construction quality, this vehicle will surpass your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Upscale comfort blends beautifully with crossover capability in this refined Sportage. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.